Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Hadrami bin Muhammad Sofi. My matrix number is 13DDT21F 2051. Today our group would like to present about case study 2, chapter 4, universal design. For the first one, interface main page of the email. This is the interface for the main page of the email. Next is interface compose page of the email. They include sound in the interface. User can use their voice to communicate with the computer. The voice will then be converted into text output or a message that human can understand, and the output will be displayed in the chat box. This alternative mode is capable of understanding and interpreting human language, enabling voice-based interactions such as virtual assistants, voice control device, and detection. The benefits include hands-free operation, accessibility for users with physical disabilities, and faster input for tasks such as searching and transcription. Next is touch in the interface. User can view, edit, or drag with just a touch. Touch is the only sense that can be used to both send and receive information. The use of touch in the interface is known as haptic interaction. Tactile interface enables physical interaction with virtual objects such as touch-sensitive display or wearable device. These technologies ensure immersion, improve accessibility, and enable realistic simulation for training or entertainment purposes. Next is handwriting recognition. From the picture we can see she UCT. User can use handwriting as output instead of text input. Handwriting recognition offers a natural input method that mimics writing on paper, providing an intuitive and seamless experience. It ensures accessibility for individuals with motor impairment or disabilities that make traditional keyboard input challenging. Handwriting recognition is well suitable for mobile devices and touchscreens, eliminating the need for a physical keyboard, and it facilitates digital ink annotation and collaboration by converting handwritten content into digital text. Next is gesture recognition. Okay, the user can drag the subject using mouse cursor to make a gesture. Gesture recognition system can interpret hand and body movement, enabling user to control device without physical contact. Benefits include intuitive interaction, easy to use, and a more engaging user experience, especially for mobile device. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Jafar. The number is 13DDT1F2027. There is 7 principles of universal design. First is equitable use. Everybody can use the email application user. Users can access with any device. Equitable use in universal design focus on ensuring equal access and benefit for all users. Design should provide flexibility and adjustable features to accommodate diverse abilities and preferences. They should be simple and intuitive, presenting information in multiple formats for users with varying cognitive abilities. Tolerance for errors and low physical effort are important consideration to promote accessibility for all. By complying with accessibility standards, design ensure equal access for individuals with disabilities. Overall, equitable use aims to create inclusive designs that prioritize accessibility and provide equal opportunities for all users. Next is flexibility in use. Compose page. easy to regardless of normal or disabled people, and using the latest technologies. Flexibility in use, an important principle of universal design. Focus on designing products, environments, and systems that can be used in multiple ways to accommodate diverse user preferences and abilities. This involves providing multiple means of use, such as alternative input methods, and incorporating adaptable and adjustable features that allow users to customize their design to suit their specific needs and comfort. Modifiability, simplified or expanded functionality options, clear instructions, compatibility with assistive technologies, and ease of transition between modes are also crucial aspects. By embracing flexibility in use, designers create exclusive design that empower users to interact with the product or environment in a manner that aligns with their individual abilities and preference. The third one is simple and intuitive use. Main page. So it's simple and easy to start access. Design as easy to understand as other. Simple and intuitive use. An essential principle of universal design. Focus on creating designs that are easy to understand and use for a wide range of users. It emphasizes clear and consistent layout, minimizing minimizing complexity to reduce cognitive load, and aligning functionality with familiar concepts through natural mapping, providing distinct and understandable feedback, contextual help and documentation, leveraging users' prior knowledge and incorporating error, preventing and recovery features are crucial aspects. The fourth one is perceptible information, also language. Users do not need to use detailed guide to use it. Every function and design is easy to understand and use even the first time also can use it. Next is tolerance for error. Users can check and cancel sending incorrect emails. The application also makes it easier for users if there are errors in sending email. Tolerance for error can focus on minimizing the negative impact of user errors. Clear and understandable, designs reduce the likelihood of errors. By minimizing complexity, help prevent them. Error prevention feature guide users toward correct actions, and prompt feedback highlights error for quick identification. The next one is low physical effort. App design and pleases the users and is not harmful. The operation of application does not bother you to use it. So the last one is size and space for approach and use. It provides satisfaction to users in managing daily work, and application design give the users the options. So that is for me. Thank you.